Welcome guys, today I have for you a Kellenberger 1500U. This machine is wired for 220 volts and we're just going to get right into it. We're going to start off with our generator or the conveyor. This does send the power over here to our headstock over here. I'll turn on the hydraulics as well, so we could go through a couple features with this. The always on, off, but you could jog it, or the on whenever we get into a cycle. This right here is going to be our control knob for our speed on the headstock. Let me get out of the way. As you can see, it slows down and speeds up depending on which direction you go. Start the wheel for you guys and we'll get right into one of the several cycles it has. This machine will feed down to 0. Once it hits 0, it will go into a fine feed. And once it's done with the fine feed, it'll go ahead and park itself so you're ready for your next part. So while it's going through its cycle, it does have your dwell options for both left and right, along with table speed right here. As you can see, I'll turn the dwell on just for one of the sides. Dwells for a couple seconds and then it will go back. So it does have a pick feed for both left, right, and both left and right. Also with the manual and plunge feed options as well for this machine. I don't know if I mentioned, the head does swivel in a 360-degree motion, so we could get to the ID attachment that's sitting in the back for internal grinding. And that's kind of really all there is to the machine. We are in the fine feed. As you can see, we just finished with the fine feed and the machine just parks itself as the head retracts and the table parks itself to one side. So again, this is the Kellenberger 1500U. Thank you very much.